paint chips on your vehicle left unattended or neglected can cause rust and deterioration on your vehicle. So today I'm going to show you how to fix minor paint chips on your vehicle by using an AC Delco paint pen. So the first step is you want to get the correct AC Delco paint pen color from your local Chevrolet dealership, SMP. If you don't know the actual name of the color of your vehicle, just bring your VIN into our parts department and our parts specialists will get you the right color. So the first step is to ensure that your vehicle is completely clean. If there is any dirt or debris surrounding the chip, the paint won't stick properly. So as you can see here, I have a paint chip on my vehicle that I'm going to show you how to fill in this video. So the tip of the paint pen is to clean the paint chip and surrounding area. And then this portion here, you twist off and it will show, it exposes the paintbrush and the paint color. And then the bottom portion of the pen is actually the clear coat. So once again, it twists off and this is the clear coat and I will show you how that works later in the video. So you want to give your paint a couple hours to dry before applying the clear coat. And once we've given it a couple hours, you once again just untwist the bottom and you want to be very, very light with the amount of clear coat that you put on and just give it a nice dab basically. So I'm going to apply the clear coat and then we're done the process. So that is how you repair minor paint chips on your vehicle. I hope this video is helpful, and to watch more of our how-to videos, check out our YouTube channel or our website at smpchev.ca. SMP, the better way to drive.